What's up, my good people? It's good to be alive and it's good to be in crypto. And today I'll be reviewing Noise. This is ICO reviews. And before I continue, whatever I say in this video is strictly of my own personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, make your own decision. And now, let's go down to business. Now, Noise ICOs, re-engineered advertising network. Now they are combined artificial intelligence in blockchain and they're focusing on the advertising industry, make it more better, more secure, and to avoid scams and fraud in the advertising industry. Now, and they have a lot of people who are well versed in the advertising world as member of their team member, and I'm going to show you that you will see that yourself. Now you see one of the strongest aspects of Noise Coin project, which is separate from other blockchain advertising networks. Of course, you know the other projects that revolves around the advertising industry who have raised ICOs. The other say the fact is that they already have a strong relationship with the advertising industry by leveraging the client list of both Otmob and NDN Group, two of our partners company. Noise Chain is quickly growing its community of brands. So they have a footing, they have a foundation, they have been in the advertising industry. They are not just going in, they've been there. And that is what is saying make them better than other projects you may think of. You may think of. Now they have one of these called Nicola Ag ad. It says chat with people, increase engagement, provides reward, filter out spam and fight crime. Fight crime. Scroll down. This is the roadmap. And they have 400 million token, 15% for founding member, 45% for token sale. Charity foundation, I love this. I love when ICO is putting part of their money to charity, 10%. Growing community growth, 2%. Advisors, 8%, and reserve for 20%. These are the partners and the investors. Reprise, FDG Capital, Alpha Blockchain. You can see them, NDN Group, those who are their partners and investors in their project. You can find them about articles about them on Twitter, on Cointelegraph, Bitcoinist.net, CCN, even on Tech, Entrepreneur, Forbes, Inside Financial, News BTC. This is huge. This is huge. And this is the team members: Andy Ann, Kelvin Chuang, Ricky Goswani, Nige Hongs, and Ooks, and all the rest. And one of the things we care about when we want to invest in ICO is we want to know if the ICO we're investing in on is real. We want to know if it's a scam. So I'm really interested in that because many people have lost money investing in scams ICO. But the good news is about Noise ICO is not a scam, and I have proof to show to you. These guys are showing their faces for you. You can see them. You can see them face to face. I mean, they have nothing to hide. And let me show you the first one, Michelle Now. Oh, this is this beautiful lady here. You can see her. So let's click on it.
Hi
Marketing
everyone,
director.
I'm Michelle. I'm the marketing director of Noiz. I've been in marketing for around 12 years. Previously, I was in advertising agencies and then also did a little bit of communications, and I was also working at traditional retail. And now I'm at Noiz, this exciting blockchain project. It is an exciting time that we live in. We are actually solving an industry problem where ad fraud, spam bots, and data transparency, it's a big issue that we're all talking about. And through Noiz, this platform, we can actually contribute to social impact projects, which makes it even more meaningful. We're planning a lot of things right now, so stay tuned and we'll keep
You can see
you
these
posted.
guys are real. These guys are real. Now let me go back to the channel itself. You can meet Avon 4 wing swing. This you can see them here. They are showing themselves. They are showing their faces, and I'm really impressed with this ICO. Take it or leave it. I'm really impressed by this ICO. I'm really bullish about it. These are the advisors. So the advisors. You can see I'm bullish about it. I love the ICO. I love everything about it, and also I encourage you to go through the white paper. Whatever is 36-page white paper put together. I love it, and I can encourage you. I can tell you, try your best to go through the ICO, read it. It helps you know more about the project, what it's all about. And now they have 11,429 members. That is humongous, ladies and gentlemen. And it's going to grow. This number you see, come back in a few days. You're not going to see this again. It's going to keep growing. So I'm really bullish about Noiz ICO. This is strictly my personal opinion though. Make your own decision, and I'm going to leave the link for this ICO just down below. Just click on it and sign up for this ICO. Thank you guys for watching my reviews. I can't thank you enough. Thank you a million times. And please, before you go, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, smash the like button, and please hit the notification bell so that when I bring more videos, you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you guys. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And until next time I come your way, and this is ICO Reviews.